Kaylee here from Zen's Tea House. Today I'm going to show you how to make matcha. Traditionally matcha is made in water, or you can prepare it in a milk or milk alternative of your choice. Today I'm going to be making a matcha latte. So first you're going to start off with getting 1 teaspoon of our ceremonial grade matcha. You can do a level teaspoon. You're going to add it to your cup first, and then you're going to mix it with the liquid of your choice. I'm using vanilla almond milk. It's best if you mix it with a small amount of liquid first. Just mix it up so it gets nice and smooth. And then you can add the rest of your liquid and continue to whisk. And that's how you make a matcha latte.